At this gorgeous cover for the iPhone, and I have iPhone 15 Plus. Let's put it together. It has replacement push buttons that are red, so you can replace those ones with these ones. Wow! Also comes with the stickers, which adds super cuteness to the, to the package. Look at this case. I'm so in love with it. Look how beautiful. It's see-through. It's also military grade, so if your phone fell while you have it on, don't worry about it. Your phone is completely protected. It's not gonna crack or anything. Look how gorgeous. Look how beautiful. OMG, I'm so in love. These push buttons are like super simple. I'm gonna change them into the red ones. I've installed the red ones. Look how cute. Super cute. I'm going to drop my phone to show you that it's completely protected. Look at this. It's completely protected again. This absorbs the shocks. It's designed specially as a shock proof for your phone. So this cover is not only gorgeous, but it got your phone covered. It will be protected from any falls, and it's super stylish. What I like about it also is that the camera edges is so elevated, so it does not scratch. It protects even the camera lenses because it has this edge from here. Look at this. So no matter what things may pass through here, it's protecting your camera lens. If you're looking for a cover for your phone or as a gift, this cover is for you. I like it. It comes in many different designs. I chose this one because I just love flowers.